This song was written by Jasmine Sullivan and Anthony Bell. And before Cynthia Erivo sang this at the Makers Conference, she spoke some powerful words that Reverend Chris requested that I share with you all before I sing this song. She says, Enrivo says, Jasmine Sullivan's voice is wonderful, but the lyrics in the song sort of applies to every single person in this room. So when I sing it, especially the first verse, because it's very, very clear, I want you to imagine that you are me singing these lyrics to yourself. So for this song, imagine that my voice is your voice, that these words are your words. And then when you get a moment to go back and listen to those lyrics again, say them to yourself again, because they mean a lot. And we will need to say these things to ourselves. Okay? My eyes ain't used to these rays. I'm feeling exposed, but I can't hide no more. I can't hide. As the sun shines down on all my glory, my flaws don't look so bad at all. What was I so afraid of? Every part of me is a vision of a portrait of Mona Lisa. Every part of me is beautiful, and I finally see I'm a work of art, a masterpiece. Oh, who is this I try so hard to find, filling my head with lies that I'm not good enough? Then I heard something in my ear telling me I'm perfect. Now that I know the truth, time to show and prove. Every part of me is a vision of a portrait of Mona Lisa. Every part of me is beautiful, and I finally see I'm a work of art, I'm a masterpiece. Now I see the pretty colors on my canvas. I'm a work of art. I share my picture with the world. I'm not afraid to let it shine anymore. Mona Lisa. Every part of me is beautiful, and I finally see your work of art, masterpiece.